Tired of your numbered lists in Google Docs looking like they've been hit by an indent avalanche? Fear not. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create sleek, indent-free numbered lists that'll make your resumes and outlines look so sharp they might just cut through the competition. Let's dive in. Place your cursor where you want the magic to happen, click the numbered list button in the toolbar, it's the one that looks like a list having an existential crisis, and start typing. Add your first point, hit enter for the next one, and double tap enter when you're done, like you're breaking up with the list. Select your list, don't be shy, give it a good highlight, then head to Format. Align and Indent, Indentation Options. You'll see a pop-up window. It's basically the control panel for your list's identity crisis. Now, change the left indent to a big fat 0. Make sure the right indentation is also 0. We're not playing favourites here. Then hit Apply. And just like that, your list is free from the tyranny of indents. If this tutorial saved your document from chaos, smash that like button, subscribe, and remember, when in doubt, Ctrl+Alt+Grandpa it out. See you next time.